How to sell on Binance app. What comes in your mind when you hear Bitcoin? Well, it's a service that is commonly used by cryptocurrency investors who don't want to sell their crypto, usually Bitcoin, regardless of whether the price increases or decreases. Most of people aim to accumulate as many Bitcoin as possible, but there may be times when you need to sell your holdings. The easiest, cheapest, and fastest way to sell your Bitcoin and other supported assets into your local currency is Binance Buy and Sell. Once you sell your Bitcoin, you can choose between any local currencies such as EUR, GBP, USD, etc. And you can save on fees with bank transfer, instantly withdraw with your credit or debit card, or get cash with peer-to-peer. Binance app is available on all mobile devices and tablets running iOS or Android, and you can download it in their link below the video in the description. Switch between Pro and Lite, depending on your crypto experience and needs. Please help me to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for doing so. Let's move on. How to sell Bitcoin on Binance.com and Binance Desktop. Binance.com web platform and Binance desktop user interfaces are almost identical with minimal differences. The step-by-step instructions for fiat withdrawal are exactly the same for both. Step 1. Navigate to Binance.com and log in with your Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, click below the video for a link to get one. Step 2. Open your Binance Fiat and Spot wallet and find Bitcoin you wish to sell into fiat. Step 3. On this step, what you have to do is, you need to switch your Bitcoin into fiat before you can withdraw it. There are two options available: trade Bitcoin to fiat via spot trading, BTC/EUR, BTC/AUD, etc., or use the convert function to swap between currencies immediately. Step 4. Once you obtain your preferred fiat currency, navigate back to the fiat and spot wallet and click withdraw. Step 5. Select the currency you wish to withdraw and the preferred withdrawal method. Binance supports credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, and local wallets. Each of them comes with different advantages. Credit/debit cards offer instantaneous withdrawal but at higher fees, while the bank transfer takes a bit longer, but the fees are generally lower. Step 6. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and fill in the required details. If you're withdrawing fiat for the first time, you'll be required to link your debit/credit card or bank account, depending on the withdrawal method you chose in the previous step. Step 7. Confirm the withdrawal, enter your verification code, text or email, or both, and you're done. But remember that the available payment methods might differ based on your region. How to sell Bitcoin on Binance app Lite. If you use this, let's see how you can do it. Binance app Lite is better to be used. But before we move on, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, plus hit a notification bell for more videos. And get Binance. All links are below the video in the description. Thanks. To use this app, follow the following steps. Step 1. Download the Binance app on your mobile device and log into your Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, click the link below the video. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, tap the profile icon and switch to light. Step 3. Tap the trade icon in the middle of the screen and follow the simple instructions. Step 4. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to sell, select your local currency, and enter the amount. Step 5. Once the sale is confirmed, tap Wallet and choose the local currency you just obtained, EUR. Step 6. Tap Withdraw, select a payment method, enter the amount, and add the required withdrawal info. If you're withdrawing fiat for the first time, you'll be required to link your debit/credit card or bank account, depending on the withdrawal method you chose in the previous step. Step 7. You're done. Your money is on its way. Now, you can go ahead to sell crypto into fiat, and withdraw your local currency to your credit/debit card, or a bank account with minimal fees and fast processing times. Please, before you go, remember to like this video, comment, share, subscribe and hit a notification button for more videos. Thanks so much for watching and for your time. See you soon again.